What's up, YouTube? Man, so yeah, we're gonna do some hopping today for lunch, and we got lucky enough to get some permission to fish a golf course over here. It's in the area, and yeah, they said pretty much they don't advise it because of safety, but they didn't say we couldn't. They said they aren't gonna run us off, so we're gonna come over here and we're gonna give this a shot. This place looks amazing. So yeah, we're not gonna waste any time with this. We're gonna get this camera set up. We're gonna switch this thing over to the GoPro, and we're gonna roll right into this thing.
Sipping on my lean and I'm
So we're gonna hopefully get us one on the line today, or a few of them. So we did a little Google mapping and we found this spot, and I gave him a call just to see if, hey, what's the odds that we could come over here and throw around. And the guy told me flat out, the manager of the golf course said, hey, we don't advise that people come over here and fish, but at the same time, we know people do. We know kids in the neighborhood come and do it, and we're not gonna run you off. So I was like, well, I may swing over there and check it out. He's flat out, it's pretty much like, yeah, we just advise against it for safety. We don't want anybody getting clocked in the head with a golf ball, and I definitely don't want that to happen to me. So we're gonna give this a roll and see what happens. And this pond is just too sweet not to try. Man, I really wish that I had brought a frog with me. I didn't even bring it. I mean, I left my frog rod at home altogether. Didn't even bring the rod. But if we don't get anything on the line today, we will definitely be back another day to give it a try, and hopefully get something. The goal was actually to get to the other side and fish that back side, but we found out that the neighborhood that's connected to it is actually gated, so we couldn't get in there like we wanted to. We could potentially walk around the pond and get around to the other side, but I don't know if we want to go through all of that to do so. Swim bait is all screwed up. It's all chewed up from the last handful of times that I've caught on it, so I'm trying to stretch it to make sure that I can keep using it, but it's being a little janky. Let's switch it up and throw something else for right now. Let's throw that wacky. Oh, you know what? Let's give a spinnerbait a go. I haven't thrown this thing in a while. Let's see if maybe we can grab one on the old spinnerbait. Something playing around right there in that grass. It's probably a turtle. Turtles are active in here, man. They're like swirling and popping up all over the place. Ouch. This is the 5th time I got a hook in my finger. Let's give the wacky rig a shot. This water's stained, but it's not horrible. So this black and blue should be a good one to throw in here. Pitch this over here. And there. The only only thing that makes me nervous is trying to get the fish through and or over this greenery. If we happen to get one in there in this corner. There's one right there. Off the rip. Got one. Right there on the wacky rig. First one. Ooh, he's dark too. Nice hook set right in the top of the mouth. Well, guys, that right there is our first golf course bass of the day. Dang, he's chewed up. He's got a little, some kind of bacteria going on with him. It's not looking good. But yeah, man, it's our first largie of the day right there on the wacky rig. So let's get this guy back out there in the water. Right back out there into his green grass. Go for our next giant. We literally, so just right on the outside of this reed stuff here, whatever you want to call this stuff, there's just a ton of just this green grass just all over the top of the water. And we pitched out there, but then we just drug back and let it fall in the open spaces. And of course, like always, there's one sitting in there hanging out, waiting on a meal to present itself. And he literally just grabbed this, I mean, literally feet off the edge over here. And with the temperatures getting up where they are, I mean, I think it's probably 85 degrees out here today. You know, the bass are going to be looking for shade and cover to hide under to stay out of that heat. We were literally just on the other side of this. We were really trying to get down into this space. I couldn't from that angle. And I just have this really deep inclination that there's a fish down in here. Yep, there he is right there. Got him, right there. I knew there was one down in here. You know, big or small, doesn't matter. I knew there was one in that space, because why wouldn't there be one in there? Chill, bro. Line cut me. Yep, right there in the top of the mouth. Look at that, perfect hook set. It's another one. It's a decent one. A little bitty pound and a half, maybe a pound. But yeah, these are all solid, just nice fat chunks, man. Like, it's a good sized bass right there. You know, yeah, this area is just perfect for these type of fish to just be kind of hanging out in there, just waiting for something to come in here and spark their interest. And they're gonna eat it every single time, man. So yeah, it's another solid one right there. And that's number 2 for the day on the wacky rig. And yeah, we're gonna get this guy back out there in the water. A little bit high, but we don't really have a choice. You know, I hate to throw him out there that from this type of distance, but you know, we're up probably 5 feet from the base of the water, so you don't really have much choice when it comes to that kind of release. Let's get our weed guard squared away. Let's see if there's another one hanging out in here. I wish this wind didn't start blowing like it did. It really picked up. It wasn't blowing like this before. I feel like there's going to be a bigger one down in here too. Probably over here. There's a grass ball right there. But the problem that I see is I don't want to really pitch down in there and risk getting hung up on this branch. It looks like there's some hard bottom down there too, so this may be a good spot to throw that jig in there. It's got a fatter profile on it, maybe. That'll spark up a larger bite. Keep an eye on our backside so we don't get our brains blowed out. Let's get this old swim bait. lip down there. Oh, that's not where that's supposed to go. There we go. There's a bite right there. We saw him. He looks. Oh, no. He looks small though. Barely big enough to really get his mouth on it. Just kept eating it too. He fought with it for a second. He's got it. Little bitty one. Little dude. Another small one. He's got that spawn tail though. Chill. Dang, man. Just dipped in the water. He's got a serious sore right there on his tail. What is that? That's gross. Yeah, it's number 3 for the day. This ground is a little softer here. It's all good. Yeah, that's number 3 right there. A dinker. That's all right. He's got something serious going on with his tail right there. You guys ever seen that before? What is that? I don't know what that is, but we're gonna get him back out there. Let him go on about his business. Always something. It's a small bass. There's another little bitty one. Not terribly small. He's not huge. Chill. Dang, all these bass have some kind of sore on them. Man, what is up with that? Look at his mouth. What is going on with these dudes? I don't know. It's another creek largie, but Jeez, man, all these bass have like some nasty stuff going on with them. All right, guys, that is the end of today's video. I'll call it a success if you call it a success. I mean, I think we had a really good day. We got out there and we got 4 total. Most of them were small, which is fine. Some decent ones, but man, these fish all had something crazy going on with their skin. Lots of sores on all the fish. Not really sure what's up with that or what they've actually got going on with this pond, but it's nothing that we can really do about it. I mean, we could probably report it to management, let them know that, hey, you got maybe a parasite in the water or something crazy going on. But yeah, we asked for permission. They told us yes. We came out here, we fished it, and we got it done. And we're gonna head back to work on that note and get on with this day. Getting off early today, 4 o'clock. Nice one, I'll take that. So yeah, man, as always, man, if you like what I'm doing, you love what I'm doing, you hate what I'm doing, by all means, please jump down there in them comments and leave your boys some feedback. Like, comment, and subscribe to my videos to see the next latest and greatest content that's coming out. And yeah, man, until the next video, check in with your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, out. Peace.